Hey, Stroke Lines. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick one demonstrating the wrapping feature. So with double quotes, single quotes, braces, brackets, anything that basically has an opposite. So if I was going to define a variable, right, and then the second I hit a double quote, watch what happens, right? It puts both in and puts me right where I want to be to type my data, right? Same thing if I'm doing a single quote, or a left paren, right paren. Oops, sorry, you can't start with the right. Left paren, and braces or brackets. Sorry, and these are the braces. So anyway, and you can adjust this if you don't like one of them. First off, I'll tell you, because I'm used to Insight, it doesn't do that. And when I switched to Studio, it really annoyed me because I kept typing the extra quote, and I didn't need to. But after a couple days, I got used to it, and it really is great. The other thing though is when you want to get rid of it, you can when you hit backspace. See how it didn't do anything? So you got to highlight it with Shift and then hit Delete. Right, that's how you get rid of a single one. But if you want to turn off a setting, so you can go Alt-M and go to Settings, hit Enter, and it's going to actually drop you on that page. And this is where you can say, you know what, I do or I don't want this. So you could remove, here, or you could add something. If every time you type to A, you want to insert a B, right? It doesn't matter, but it allows you to adjust the closing brackets and stuff. So it's a really cool feature. It takes a little while to get used to, but I highly recommend leaving it on and just getting used to it, because in the long run you get used to it and it helps you type, helps you work faster. The other thing I would say is if you need to move something, I like to hold down Shift and then Alt, and you can move it around left or right or up and down, right? Oh, hey, maybe not up and down, okay, but left and right. So that's an easy way that if something needs to get within quotes. Oh, sorry, that's one other good one. Is, let's say I say var my data. Oh, that was supposed to be in quotes. So you can highlight it and then hit your double quote, and bam, you're in there. And I think actually I could have done the bracket or the parens, or the, let me get it highlighted again. Let me do the whole thing here. So if I want to put that in, if I was putting it into an object or if I was putting it into an array, right? It takes, oh, I'm holding down Shift, sorry. So highlight it all with the Shift. Now let go of the Shift, and here we go. Now for an array. But anyway, once you get used to it, it's pretty darn cool and helpful. Thanks.